Jimmie? This is my cat Jimmie. He's 13 and he loves the vacuum cleaner. He looks a bit pissed off because he just woke up. Mum, you want to turn on the vacuum cleaner? There's a vacuum cleaner! Is that nice? Do you like it, baby? Look at him sucking it up. He loves it. You think I would hurt him because he's so old? But he loves it.
He's always loved it.
Oh, you like that one?
It'll be enough, Jimmie, because it's getting too old, hun. Okay? No, you can't put your face by it, remember?
Alright, no more Jimmie. Mummy's going to try banging into it again. Yeah, you can bang into me instead. He's rubbing into the camera. Did you like that, baby? So spoiled. Listen to him. Hearing. The vacuum cleaner's off. He thinks it's food time now. No, it's Mum's seat. Was that nice? Did you enjoy that? Hey, did you enjoy that? He's still purring. Love the vacuum cleaner. Say bye to YouTube. Bye bye.